What is progressive muscle relaxation?
Progressive muscle relaxation is a simple practice that helps you release physical tension and calm your mind. By tightening and slowly relaxing different muscle groups, you teach your body how to let go of stress. This technique has been shown to ease anxiety, improve sleep, and promote mental clarity. It's easy to learn and can be practiced almost anywhere.
Benefits for mind and body.
When you use progressive muscle relaxation, you do more than just loosen tight muscles. This technique signals your brain that it's safe to relax, which can lower stress levels, reduce headaches, and help you focus. Over time, it may improve your overall mood and sleep patterns. Regular practice can make recovery from tension and daily stress much easier.
Getting ready to practice.
Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down and take a few slow, deep breaths. Wear loose clothing if possible. Starting out, it helps to close your eyes and pay attention to how your body feels. Remember, you don't need anything fancy. Just a few peaceful minutes and your own attention.
Step-by-step guide.
Begin at your feet. Gently tense the muscles by curling your toes and holding for about 5 seconds. Release, then notice the relaxation. Move up to your calves, thighs, stomach, hands, arms, shoulders, neck, and face, tightening each for several seconds and then relaxing. Breathe slowly. Focus only on one muscle group at a time as you continue up the body.
Tips for best results.
Practice progressive muscle relaxation daily for greatest benefit. Don't rush through the sequence. Take time to fully notice the difference between tension and relaxation. If you feel pain while tensing a muscle group, skip it. The more regularly you practice, the easier it becomes to notice and release tension whenever it appears in everyday life.